going to stack the countries. Macau. Ningxia. Hey guys, I'm Ningxia. Hunan. Ooh. This is Shaanxi. This is Guangxi. This is Tianjin. I'm Fujian. I'm Heyo Zheng. I'm Guozhou. I'm Hong Kong so tiny. In Chongqing. This is Macau. I'm Guangdong.
Doon kay Sylvia. Sabi kailangan si Marites. Si Julian.
Ang Guangdong.
Di mo tawagan. Di mo
Is Chongqing.
Ano sinagot niya?
Heyo Zheng. In Tianjin. USA Maps that too many. I'm Chongqing. I'm Hubei. I'm Heyo Zheng. Oh no! I'm Hainan. I'm Hainan. Another Hainan. 3 Hainans. I'm Shaanxi. I'm Hoi. Anhui. Whoa, I almost fall. It's me, Jiangxi. Hey, it's Yunnan. I'm Hong Kong. I'm Tianjin. I look like a 3D shape. I'm Guangxi. Whoa, I'm upside down. I don't feel good. Hey, it's me, Guozhou. Uh-oh. No! You look like a rolling ball. Now you're so funny. It's me, Heyo Zheng. Oh no. I'm Beijing. I'm Heyo Zheng. I'm Beijing. I'm Guangdong. I'm Shanghai. I'm Macau. I'm Taiwan. Hey guys, I'm Taiwan. It's me, Tibet. Oh no. It's me, Liang. Oh no. I'm Inner Mongolia. It's so diggy. I'm Shaanxi. I'm Chongqing. I'm Liang. I'm Taiwan. I'm Jilin. It's me, Hainan. It's me, Guangxi. It's me, Beijing. Oh no. Nah! Yes, sir, Deck. It's me, Shanghai. It's me, Guangdong. It's me, Liang. Another Liang. Me, Beijing. Mary Hoover. I'm Hunan.
Hindi pwede marami, iubuin ka. Oh,
I'm Tibet. How can I? I'm Somalia.
Hingal-hingal, daan-daan ang kain, Daniel. Hindi nagmamadali. Tumatawag. Sino yung MC?
Makes me hungrier. Time to eat. Let's see how spicy this really is.
Yung cellphone. Tama na, gagay ng kinakain.
All done. Let me place it nicely here. Wait,
Si Sylvia.
wait.
Ano gusto?
A bird?
Ano sa Sylvia?
Oh no!
Wala naman nakalagay.
I guess I'll have to redo everything from scratch. Hi everyone. About that cake earlier, let's just clean it up and move on. It's okay. Come into the kitchen and bake again with me.
Ay, tama na yan, Daniel. Uminom ka
We're
water.
making a rainbow cake again, but
I
a
want.
little surprise this time.
Tubig. Water mo.
Whipping
Oh,
the
water.
eggs and sugar
Uminom ka
until
water.
fluffy
Tama
and
na yung kinakain mo. So, sabihan mo muna siyang uminom. Nakikiuna ka naman.
Adding milk, butter, and vanilla, the aroma starts right away.
Ay, inom na. Para na iinom si Kuya. Inom na. Si Kuya iinom din eh. Bilisan mo.
Gently folding in the flour so the cake stays soft.
Faster, Daniel.
Today I'm adding crushed Oreos into the batter.
Oreo, tsaka ano, gagawin cake.
Splitting and coloring the batter. The rainbow is back.
Ang galing, cake. Lalagyan ng food color. Magiging violet. Cake yan.
Pouring each layer into the heart-shaped pan, nice and slow.
Lalagay sa heart. Ano, silalagay sa oven.
Cake's in the oven. Let's work on the frosting.
No.
Tama na, Neil. Purong ka doon ka sa dulo. Higa ko. Doon ka sa
This
dulo.
frosting is fluffy and smooth. Perfect. Whip the whipping cream with cream cheese
Aray.
and sugar.
Oh, sabi sa'yo, urong ka doon.
Splitting the frosting. Ding!
Naluto na yung cake, oh. Wow, malsa na.
Cutting the cake and seeing the Oreos
Puputuloy na
inside.
yung cake.
So satisfying. Applying a
Tapos
thin
lalagyan ng icing.
adding colorful swirls to make the cake pop.
Ang galing.
Yunan. Na. I'm Gansu.
Placing the Oreo logo on top, it says it all. A sprinkle of colorful candy and we're done. Let me try it.
I'm Inner Mongolian. I'm bigger. Come on, come on.
Let's grab something frozen real quick. I'm starving. Whoa! Finally, a quiet